Before starting video, dear viewers, go through site link in description and write your comment and put your contact email on this Shiba Inu coin article and win over 1,000 to 100k Shib coins in lucky draw in the end of this month. So don't waste your time, hurry up and put email before it's too late. And share that to others. This is what Google's machine learning thinks about Shiba Inu. Everyone wants the Shiba Inu coin to hit $1 because if you buy a million of them, you'll be a millionaire. It's now only $8 and about 50 cents. You could use that to make $1 million. Well, I hate to tell you this, but I don't think that will happen. But let's see what Google's artificial intelligence, AI, says is possible. If the Shiba Inu coin gets to $1, people ask questions as if they know more than humans do about Google's GPT and Bard chat. So, let's look at what Google's artificial intelligence is. Let's hear what they have to say about the Shiba Inu coin and that $1 mark. So, let's get started. If it sounds like something you might be interested in, we talk about the latest news about Shiba Inus and the Bitcoin world in general on our channel. If you are watching one of our movies for the first time, we want to give you a warm welcome. You can make sure you never miss a movie by clicking the bell. We will say that this station is giving away 5 million Shiba Inu tokens. To get a chance to take part, just subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a message with the hashtag #ShibaInu. On May 31, we will find out who won. Shibarium goes past the milestone of 10 million transactions. Shibarium is a Layer 2 blockchain platform built on Ethereum. It was made for the Shiba Inu joke currency. The goal of the update is to turn Shiba Inu into an ecosystem with many parts while the community waits for the mainnet. A few weeks ago, the researchers started the PuppyNet test network. As of the date this article was written, the latest information shows that the PuppyNet test network has finished more than 10.4 million transactions. Also, about 926,771 blocks were handled by PuppyNet. There are more than 15.8 million wallet names on the network, and a block is made every 5 seconds. Since the middle of May, the number of daily transactions on the network has been going up. Since May 12th, there have been an average of more than 300,000 transactions per day. Shiba burning keeps going. Remember that more people using the network means more Shiba being burned and more ways to use the main currency. Shibin's most recent tweet says that 40 million tokens have been destroyed by the environment in the last day. Also, in the last 7 days, more than 3 million coins have been burned. Even though this has made less tokens available, it's not a big deal because there are still well over 589 trillion coins in circulation. The Shiba Inu community's sense of loyalty. In fact, meme cryptocurrencies have always been criticized because they aren't useful and their prices move based on how people feel about them. But these assets have turned out to be profitable, helping people make a lot of money. Shiba Inu is like most themed coins in that it depends on its community. For example, a fan of cryptocurrencies told people that Shiba and meme is more than just a fashion statement because it has uses and is being built to support more uses. The Shiba Inu group also wants the new CEO of Twitter, Linda Yaccarino, to add Shiba to the social media site. The CEO keeps an eye on the Shiba Inu price prospects. Shiba, on the other hand, is still having trouble with price movement. According to information from Investcom, the meme currency has lost about 20% of its value in the last month. As I write this, Shiba Inu is trading at 850 points, which is 1.3% less than it was the day before. Shiba has also gone down by 1.8% in the last week. Guys, let's start reading this paper. Shiba Inus go to the cheap store. What is the message of artificial intelligence? This is worth looking into. From $30,000 to $30 billion is how much the whole thing is worth. You'll be able to turn $8.50 into $1 million, of course. But for that to happen right now, you have to take a value of $5 to $6 trillion and turn it into trillions. So, guys, we need one of two things to happen very quickly. If you want to turn $8 into $1 million, either the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency needs to go away and come back, or the value of the dollar needs to drop more than anyone could handle. That's what I think. Let's ask Google's AI what it thinks about the Shiba Inu coin, which has gotten a lot of investors' attention and raised an important question. Will it ever reach the long-awaited dollar? The chatbot has given different points of view on this topic, but it is still suspicious about Shiba Inu tokens. Googlebot gives a different point of view that a lot of people find interesting. Let's look at Google's analysis and interpretation of how likely it is that the Shiba Inu coin will hit the $1 mark. For Shiba Inu to be worth $1, its market price tokens would have to be worth more than $589 trillion. This means that all Shiba Inu coins in circulation and in existence would have to be worth more than $589 trillion. I don't know what that number means. So Google is trying to make sense of it. That's more than the market value of all the stocks and bonds in the world put together. $1 is not only a big dream, but also a very unlikely thing to happen in the near future. In fact, Shiba's market value of $5.80 trillion is still a problem that can't be solved right now. The story goes on to say that it could be impossible to solve in the near future because the world's highest cryptocurrency market capitalization briefly went over $3 trillion. At the moment, we have a market cap of about $1 trillion. So, for the Inu Shiba coin to hit a market capitalization of $5 trillion, it would have to do much better than anything else on the cryptocurrency market. Google's AI is, as you can see, a little bit more realistic about what's going on right now. One thing this technology doesn't understand is that things can be burned down. Every small thing that could make it possible for the Shiba Inu coin to be worth $1 is still out there. I don't want to dash anyone's hopes or goals or anything like that. I just want you to know that it's not easy to make $8 into $1 million. But no matter what, if you look at all the options, we could burn billions of Shiba Inu coins, especially if the price goes down very low. If this bear market continues, it will do even more damage to the coin. You know, if the US made cryptocurrency illegal and prices dropped, it wouldn't be hard for people to burn most of it. Then, when the next cryptocurrency rising market comes around, the Inu Shiba coin could be worth $1 if the supply has been cut down by a lot. Now, another thing that can make a difference is that the dollar is going crazy. Even though hyperinflation could happen in the US, we don't seem to be headed in that direction right now. But if there were hyperinflation, the dollar would be worth so little that prices would be astronomically higher than what the Shiba Inu currency could be worth in dollars. If it were this useful, its value would go up until it reached $1. These things would have to happen for those prices to show up, because right now we don't have the trillions of dollars that would be needed to value a single coin at hundreds of billions of dollars. We have no idea. So, chat says, I want to know what you guys think. Even though it will be hard, what do you think needs to happen for the Inu Shiba coin to hit $1? Write us your answer in the area below for comments. So, this video